In this PyMuPDF tutorial, we will learn to add content to a PDF document using the story.write method. First, let's make sure PyMuPDF is installed. When you use stories, you can add content to a PDF document using HTML syntax. Here goes some simple HTML content. Now, the variable content will be used to create a story object. Next, create a document writer object and define the output file name. The method story.write takes two parameters. We already have the first one, which is the writer object, but we still need to create the second one, which is the rectfn function. The function rectfn takes two parameters. The first one is the rectangle number, and the second one is the rectangle that has been filled. The function must return two rect objects. The first one defines the page's dimensions. The second rect object defines the content rectangle. In this first example, we will use the simplest form of the rectfn function, which means one content rectangle per page. The media box is the rect object that contains the whole page. Next, we need to define the area where the content will be inserted. The values defined earlier are used to create the second rect object. Once everything is ready, we can return the two rect objects we created. Here is the result. For the next example, let's change to a two-column text layout. This means two rectangles per page. Depending on the rectangle number, the variable media box and the rectangle's x position will have different values. If the rectangle number is even, we are dealing with the left column. The value of media box is set to the defined rect object, which means we are creating a new page. If the rectangle number is odd, we are dealing with the right column. The value of media box is set to none, which means we are staying on the current page. The x value must also be modified. The rectangle width must also be changed so that we have two rectangles separated by a gap. As you can see, this time, there are four rectangles. Here is the result. Subscribe for more PyMuPDF tutorials.